Beautiful first floor 2-bedroom 2-bath and unit located in Imperial Golf Estates. This first floor unit offers a gorgeous lake and golf course view and #XD and #SAW, from screened in lanai. End unit features an open floor plan offering an abundance of natural light. Tile throughout condo, no carpet. Large spacious kitchen with granite countertops and plenty of cabinet space. Stainless steel appliances and white plantation shutters. Spacious master bedroom offers a king bed with tile flooring, plantation shutters and 2 large closets. Guest bedroom offers twin beds, plantation shutters and large closet. Televisions in living room and bedrooms. Community pool within walking distance of condo. No golf available with this rental. Information contained herein deemed reliable but not guaranteed.